The Stink Solution sent us this odor eliminator for our review, and this one specifically is for dog, which is absolutely fantastic, but I also use this not just for the dog. I even spray my husband's shoes with it. What I really love about this is it doesn't just mask the odor, it actually will eliminate it. So it will kind of find that smell, it will bond itself to it, it's gonna absorb it, break it down, and then completely eliminate it. So again, many times when you have those sprays, you spray it on and it smells super nice, and you're like, oh, but then that smell is still there because it's not actually destroying the smell. Whereas this does, it works in seconds. And the nice thing is that it is fine for humans and pets. You can spray this on anything. I particularly like to use this on my couch because that is where my dog and my cat like to hang out. I do have couch covers, but honestly, I don't have time to wash them every single day. So at the end of the day, I like to kind of give them a quick little spray because then it just kind of freshens them up. I have no more odors, and we all just get to enjoy the living room stink-free.